Come on, Luke. We're the last ones left. My leg, Doctor. I've broken it. Here, let me help you. Exterminate! It's time. What? Christmas Eve, the day I died, the very, very same day. What? Merry Christmas, Luke Smith. Boy, hello! Doctor? Stop asking questions, my dear boy. Of course it's me, young, fitter, and in very skinny clothes with a few regeneration modes. Now heal up. Brilliant! Did we do it? The paradox is over, Luke, and I'm free! Home? You brought me home? Well, sort of. You like the clothes? Sort of, but home. The day I died. So I decided to return to the one place we met. Everywhere else is vanished in dust and ashes. Look! A shooting star. Or... Mr. Smith, we need you. Luke, it's been a while. Where is Sarah Jane? Sarah's dead, Mr. Smith. Oh. Mr. Smith, what is that? Luke, I think you have more pressing matters to attend to. Like what? Oi! Oi! Come here, you! Why, smelly? Me? Oh, sorry. I wore this when I was 357. I ain't washed it since. No, you smell of time, both of you. What are you talking about? Dark hour coming. Smelly time will die. Let me go. Mr. Smith, deactivate the crate and teleport this grask home. Accessing. I've identified what you intercept as a shooting star. It is a Dryden space pod. It carries a message. Mr. Smith, play. My name is Lucy Jones, and I am currently in a statual flux. My body is in this form temporary, and I am revitalizing into a new younger form. She's beautiful. She don't need to change. I'd say, if this pod crashes to a planet, then I will lock on to the planet's nearest spaceport, or out of origin equipment. Anyway, and why hasn't she picked up the TARDIS? The TARDIS doctor has died. It will take a while to repair, and will require extreme assistance. Okay, Luke, let's get us a girl. You're coming with us. Are you in? I can sense time. He's not. I'm not. Sorry, he is. I'm not. I'm Luke Smith. This is the Doctor. Come with me, Lucy. We're your only friends. Mr. Smith, our fallen star. Doctor, Mr. Smith, Doctor, look out! Doctor, you shall die. Just have Miss Smith do something. There was a canine. Where? Restoring Mr. Smith, maximum defense mode. Oh, good dog. What's happening? Oh, just an alien battle. It happens around here a lot. You two seem to work well, do we? Yes, you do. So you can stop bickering and all that. Now Sarah Jane's gone. I think it's time you two changed your ways. So, how do we fix the TARDIS from here? If K9 downloads the file, we shall be able to make the TARDIS stronger and better, while you save the world. Good. Hey guys! Yes? What's that? That's pure time energy! A portal to another time zone. Are we going through? Well, it's dangerous to take it, but who knows what it is on the other side. Somewhere it might be dangerous. It might be hope. Maybe it's somewhere where the tea's getting on. Come on folks, we've got work to do.